Hello friends, today we discuss properties, structure, types and functions of RNA. Table of contents are as RNA structure, types of RNA, that is messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA, other properties of RNA and functions of RNA. Now, structure of RNA. RNA or ribonucleic acid is a polymer of nucleotides which is made of ribose sugar, a phosphate and bases such as adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. It's a polymeric molecule essential in various biological roles in coding, decoding, regulation and expression of genes. Like DNA, RNA is a long polymer consisting of nucleotides. RNA is a single-stranded helix. The strand has a 5' end with the phosphate group and a 3' end with the hydroxyl group. It is composed of ribonucleotides. The ribonucleotides are linked together by 3 to 5 direction with phosphodiester bonds. The nitrogenous bases that compose the ribonucleotides include adenine, cytosine, uracil and guanine. Thus, the differences in the structure of RNA from the DNA include the bases in RNA are adenine, guanine, uracil and cytosine. Thus, thymine in DNA is replaced by uracil in RNA, a different pyrimidine. However, like thymine, uracil can form base pairs with adenine. The sugar in RNA is ribose rather than deoxyribose as in DNA. The corresponding ribonucleosides are adenosine, guanosine, cytidine and uridine. The corresponding ribonucleotides are adenosine 5-triphosphate, guanosine triphosphate, cytidine triphosphate and uridine triphosphate. Most RNA molecules are single-stranded, but an RNA molecule may contain regions which can form complementary base pairing where the RNA strands loops back on itself. If so, the RNA will have some double-stranded regions. Ribosomal RNAs and transfer RNAs exhibit substantial secondary structure as do some messenger RNAs. Messenger RNA. Messenger RNA accounts for about 5% of the total RNA in the cell. It's most heterogeneous of the three types of RNA in terms of both base sequence and size. It carries the genetic code copied from the DNA during transcription in the form of triplets of nucleotides called codons. As part of the post-transcription processing in eukaryotes, the 5' end of messenger RNA is capped with the guanosine triphosphate nucleotide, which helps in messenger RNA recognition during translation or protein synthesis. Similarly, the 3' end of messenger RNA has a poly A tail or multiple adenylate residues added to it, which prevent enzymatic degradation of messenger RNA. Both 5 and 3 end of messenger RNA imparts stability of the messenger RNA. Functions of messenger RNA. Messenger RNA transcripts the genetic code from DNA into a form that can be read and used to make proteins. Messenger RNA carries genetic information from the nucleus to the cytoplasm of a cell. Ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA found in the ribosomes and account for 80% of the total RNA present in the cell. Ribosomes consist of two major components: the small ribosomal subunits, which read the RNA, and the large subunits, which join amino acids to form a polypeptide chain. Each subunit comprises one or more ribosomal RNA molecules and a variety of ribosomal proteins or R proteins. Different RNAs present in the ribosomes include small ribosomal RNAs and large ribosomal RNAs, which denote their presence in the small and large subunits of the ribosome. Ribosomal RNAs combine with proteins in the cytoplasm to form ribosomes, which act as the site of protein synthesis and has the enzymes needed for the process. These complex structures travel along the messenger RNA molecule during translation and facilitate the assembly of amino acids to form a polypeptide chain. They bind to transfer RNAs and other molecules that are crucial for protein synthesis. Functions are as ribosomal RNA directs the translation of messenger RNA into proteins. Now, transfer RNA. Transfer RNA is the smallest of the three types of RNA, having about 75 to 95 nucleotides. Transfer RNAs are an essential component of translation, where their main function is the transfer of amino acids during protein synthesis. Therefore, they are called transfer RNAs. Each of the 20 amino acids has a specific transfer RNA that binds with it and transfers it to the growing polypeptide chain. Transfer RNAs also act as adapters in the translation of the genetic sequence of messenger RNA into proteins. Therefore, they are also called adapter molecules. Structure of transfer RNA includes three structure loops formed by hydrogen bonding. The 3' end serves as the amino acid attachment site. The center loop encompasses the anticodon, and the anticodon is a 3-base nucleotide sequence that binds to the messenger RNA codon. This interaction between codon and anticodon specifies the next amino acid to be added during protein synthesis. Now, functions of transfer RNA. Transfer RNA brings or transfers amino acids to the ribosomes that correspond to each 3 nucleotide codon of ribosomal RNA. The amino acids then can be joined together and processed to make polypeptides and proteins. Other properties of RNA. RNA forms in the nucleolus and then moves to specialized regions of the cytoplasm. Depending on the type of RNA formed, RNA containing a ribose sugar is more reactive than DNA and is not stable in alkaline conditions. RNA's larger helical grooves mean it's more easily subject to attack by enzymes. RNA strands are continually made, broken down and reused. RNA is more resistant to damage from UV light than DNA. RNA's mutation rate is relatively higher. Unusual bases may be present. The number of RNA may differ from cell to cell. Rate of renaturation after melting is quick. RNA is more versatile than DNA, capable of performing numerous diverse tasks in an organism. Now, functions of RNA. RNA is a nucleic acid messenger between DNA and ribosomes. It serves as the genetic material in some organisms. Some RNA molecules play an active role within cells by catalyzing biological reactions, controlling gene expression or sensing and communicating responses to cellular signals. Messenger RNA copies DNA in the nucleus and carries the information to the ribosomes in cytoplasm. Ribosomal RNA makes up a larger part of the ribosome, reads and decodes messenger RNA. Transfer RNA carries amino acids to the ribosome, where they are joined to form proteins. Certain RNAs are able to catalyze chemical reactions, such as cutting and ligating other RNA molecules and the catalysis of peptide bond formation in the ribosome. They are known as ribozymes. Thank you.